I mean, there's nothing better than nice warm bread with some cheese on it. I mean, everybody loves pizza, right? The main thing people may not know about Papa Murphy's is that we're take and bake. Don't cook anything here, we don't have any freezers. There's something amazing about it coming right out of your oven, hot and fresh, and the ability to have a fresh pizza right out of your oven is a crucial aspect of our brand. I became manager in 2013, and I became a full owner in 2020. It's been a ride, for sure. This is the first kind of project that we've done like this. So they ripped out the tile, they replaced the lobby with a new tile floor. The walls, we took off our old FRP and put up some new Acrovyn. Serving our product to our customers every day is really important. I think one of the things that was most challenging about having to be closed was the customers that showed up at the door expecting a pizza. So the ability to do night work is really important, and to stay open is really important for your customer.
You know, when you're talking about, construction, especially retail restaurant, time is of the essence. So there is definitely a time element, and we really work with the installation team, and we were able to execute, but that was a challenge, of course.
I want customers to feel happy when they come here, both excited to come and pleased when they leave. And I think this refreshed space that we have is absolutely going to do that for people. It's significantly more inviting than it was before. Fresh colors really has brought our store, I think, up to par. Makes the interior match the product that we've been delivering all along.
We really wanted to elevate Papa Murphy's brand, and I think they were really looking to accomplish something. And so when you install something like an Acrovyn by design or a solid Acrovyn, it really helps mitigate the stains from food and chemicals, and you're able to kind of just clean up that space and again keep it welcoming for the customer without making it seem like it's a bit cluttered or dirty or uncomfortable.
I want my store to be the best that it can be, and I think that this refresh helps us get there.